Hello amigos, today we have come up with a new concept of plants which has just grew from the sapling. This is an insulin plant which is good for the diabetic patients. 2 leaves has to be eaten in the morning, chew it properly, 1 in the evening. This plant is very much beneficial for the diabetic patients as it decreases the blood sugar level. This plant has beautiful flowers and you can keep this plant indoor with a spray of water. This is a new type of concept, so you can order it. We can send you in this way, or we can also send you in a geoplanters, which we have a wide varieties of the geoplanters.